Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology topic from Indian side. So, what is this? We have to see. India's first ATM on a train is here. India's first ATM on a train. So, they are installing the ATM on train in AC bogie. So, now you have to take Indian Railways have enhanced the travel by installing a fully functional ATM in Mumbai's Panchavati Express, located an AC coach. Passengers on the Panchavati and Shatabdi Express can now conveniently withdraw the cash during their journey. So, these two passenger trains, so one is Panchavati Express and Jan Shatabdi Express, these two express they are installing. Once again you have to see in detail in that. So, Bank of Maharashtra, which bank? Bank of Maharashtra installed India's first ATM on a train. So, the public sector bank, Bank of Maharashtra has become the first bank to install an automated teller machine. Automated teller machine, ATM means automated teller machine on a train in India. So, the ATM was installed on the Mumbai Manmad Panchavati Express. So, Mumbai Manmad Panchavati Express. So, this is very important. The Panchavati Express is an intercity train that connects the Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminals to Manmad in Nasik district. There is a Manmad is there, where it is located, where is the Ganga is formed, there Nasik. So, there this up to that this Panchavati Express is moved. So, if the experiment proves successful, it will extend to the other trains also. First they are installed at which bank? Bank of Maharashtra. It is a public sector undertaking a bank. So, public sector bank. This bank is initially started Panchavati Express. There is a ATM mission, automated teller mission they started. So, like these videos I will upload in our YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and inform to your friends and listen the science and technology topics along with the physics subject also. Thank you so much.